Dynamic Power 101 Club. I am Ankit Shah, Microsoft Certified Trainer and Dynamics ERP and CRM professional. I have more than 10 plus years experience in Microsoft Dynamics domain, founder of Connect 101 and works for Whitehall Solutions. Have a cup of tea and learn Dynamics 365 free. So today our topic is how to create Dynamics 365 CRM free trials without work or school email address. So go ahead and grab your own cup of tea and let's get started.
Hello everyone, welcome to Dynamic Power 101 Club. So today our topic is how to create Dynamics 365 CRM trial instance for 30 days. So basically without your work office email address you can create your own tenant. So without wasting time, let's start with this. So first of all you have to go on trials.dynamics.com. Okay, you can see this link in description, and once you click on this you can see here multiple apps which you can create for 30 days trial. So here today I will go for Dynamics 365 sales means CRM. So once you click on this CRM, here it will ask for work email or phone number. So if you give here your work email address means where right now you are doing if you are giving your organization email address, okay, so in that one fresh new tenant will create under that organization, your company organization tenant basically. So we don't want to create under our job or you can say company organization. Instead of that we want to create our own tenant. So what we have to do here, you can see this sign up here. Let's click on this sign up here. So and here you have to click on no continue signing up. Okay, once you click on this, here it will redirect to on Dynamics 365 customer engagement plan. And in this page you have to follow all these 4 steps. So first step is let's set up your account. So here you have to give your work or school email address. Okay, so basically here Microsoft will check that this email address is already associated with Microsoft or not. That's it. If already associated, then they will ask that you want to create tenant under that email address or else you want to create brand new under Microsoft tenant. So I will show you. So here anyhow I have to give one my work email address. So let's give my don't give your personal email address, just give your work email address. Okay, so here when I click on this, see it will it's checking and it's clearly mentioned with another Microsoft service. So this email address is already associated with Microsoft service. So if I will click on signing, then by default new tenant will create under this tenant. But I don't want to create under my office or what we can say organization tenant. But here I want to create brand new tenant under Microsoft domain. So here I will click on this create new account instead. So I will create this. Okay, here this all fill are mandatory. So I have to give first name, last name, business phone number, company name, and country or region. So once I will give, let's say I will give my name, business phone number. So you have to give your original business phone number for OTP. So one verification code will come on your mobile, and then you can log in and go ahead. So let's give my company name, let's say Dynamic Power 101. Company size randomly I'm selecting. Okay, here I'm selecting it's India. So when I click on next, you see here it's asking for send verification code. So that's why I'm telling you give your don't give any random number, give your proper number. Let me click on send verification code. Okay, so let me check OTP. Okay, I receive OTP, one time password. Okay. So here you notice in third step, create your business identity. So in this, here I'm talking about see on Microsoft.com. It means whatever you give your here business name, okay, your club name or community name or company name, whatever, it will create under Microsoft domain. This is we want. Without work or school email address, we can create trial version like this. So here let me give whatever my club name or CRM 101 dot on Microsoft. Check availability. Perfect. So if you notice D365 CRM Power 101 dot on Microsoft.com. So my new CRM URL is this. So let me click on this. Okay. Here you can see now create your user ID and password to sign in your account. So here I have to create one user. So let's try with this. Isha, my first name, last name at D365 Power 101 dot on Microsoft.com. So here one new user will create under this tenant and automatic CRM license will assign to that user. And here I have to generate the password. So let's give proper password, and I don't want to receive any Microsoft service product information right now. So once I click on this sign up button, okay, new account will create with this user, and then we are done. So once this new user will create, you have to go once again trials.dynamic.com, and in that you have to sign in with this user. Okay, I will show you how. So once you sign in with this user, that time new CRM instance will set up. So currently in 4th step you are showing you are all set. Okay, so now my new user is this. Let me copy and write it down in my notepad. Okay, perfect. Don't click on go to set up a manager subscription because these are extra unnecessary steps. Once you click on manager subscription, so under your Office 365 it will ask the further steps, and once you click on go to setup it will redirect to Power Platform Admin Center. So right now we don't want to do this. So now once again here we have to go on https://trials.dynamics.com. So let's trials.dynamics.com. Perfect. So here once again I will select sales, and previously we selected sign up here, but now we already sign up. Now we have already our new user ID and password. So here now our new work email, our own tenant work email, I have already copied in my notepad. So I will paste it out here. Shisha at D365 CRM Power 101 on Microsoft.com. Okay, and password which I already generated. In sorry for that. This is phone number. So let me give this phone number, and let's start. Click on get started. Okay, no need to sign up. You already have license for, because as I told you earlier that when you create new account, that time automatic Microsoft will assign that license, one license, to your that user. So click on OK, got it button. It will redirect to this page, and that time CRM organization will set up. So let's wait for a couple of minutes. Meanwhile it will create CRM instance under our own tenant. Okay, it's setting up. So basically, we have created one brand new tenant without our office or work email address, and then we log in with that user, okay, in trials.dynamics.com. Okay, so let me share my entire screen so I can show you. Once your new CRM instance setup, so by default it will redirect to this. So our URL is D365 CRM Power 101. CRM 8 means we have created under India country, so that's why it's 8. Maybe if you create under US, then maybe without it .crm.dynamics.com. This is the pattern of Microsoft. So you can see here all the apps like 365 custom, then service hub, field service, omni-channel. There are so many free app you can see right now under this tenant. And if you notice here, if you click on custom, then in this tab you can see full CRM. Okay, this is the CRM. So when you click on custom, you can log in CRM like this way. So heading is Dynamics 365-custom means Dynamics CRM. If you want to open any new app, you can just right click and open in new tab. So you can use 30 days. You can use these all the apps for 30 days trial version. And why I share my entire screen, because I want to show one more thing. So let's say now you log in with this, but if you want to go on home.dynamics.com, okay, so once you click on home.dynamics.com, you can see all the apps like this way, okay, in big screen. And here by default you can see your admin panel. So once you click on admin, you can add one more user and assign the license. So in trial version, I think you can add maximum 25 users. So this is our trial version, and you can play with this CRM for next 30 days under Microsoft Tenant. So guys, I hope you like this video. Keep in touch, stay tuned with us, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. And once again, thank you so much.